guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some easy homemade dumplings with a pork mince filling. They are delicious. My skills of folding dumplings is really not that great. I haven't made dumplings many times, only a few times, so the skills are not so good, but I promise you guys they taste amazing. So let's get started. First up, I'm going to start with my filling. So in my food processor, I have some pork mince, adding in some salt and just give it about 10 to 20 seconds in the food processor. Then in with an egg, brown sugar, soy sauce, and remember to use some soy sauce that is not too salty. Then in with some spring onions and some garlic. And give it a go again in the food processor until you have a delicious meat mix. I have some wonton wrappers, going to cut off the corners. Adding in a teaspoon or a small tablespoon of filling in the middle. Adding some cold water around the edges. Be careful not to add on too much water. Then close it. You can stop here, you don't have to fold it. If you want it to be quick, easy and done in no time, you don't have to fold it, just remember to have it sealed all the way around. But I'm going to fold it. I know that I've already told you guys my skills are not that great, but I'm going to show you guys how I fold them. When they are all folded, they are ready to be fried on a pan. Remember to use a pan where you can have a lid on. Going to add in some oil, then half of my dumplings, and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes or until nice and golden brown. Then adding in about half a cup of water and then the lid on and give them about 3 minutes while they are steaming nicely. And after that they are done, and just do the exact same thing with the rest of the dumplings. I'm going to serve them with a mix of soy sauce and some chili oil. They are delicious and done in no time. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for my homemade dumplings, and if you want to give them a go, ingredients are down below as always. Don't forget to subscribe here so don't miss out on any future videos, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!